there, my lovers and friends. How y'all doing today? My no-buy is officially over, and if you guys may have missed it, I was just like ODing on hair, makeup, clothes, and just doing the most. So now that that's over, I did buy some hair, and I think I'm getting a more handle on kind of my look. Now before that, I wanted to update you guys on something I really learned about, you know, the whole lace frontal thing, and give you some insight on that. Okay, so I want to tell you guys that, so stay tuned. I have a sad story to tell y'all before we get into the unboxing of the hair that I bought. And y'all know that a girl been on her lace frontal, or trying to get around this lace frontal thing, for the last like 2 or 3 years, really. And hopefully, if you've been a long time watcher, you know that, you know, my game has increased. My game has step up, or level up. It's not premium, I won't lie, but you know, I definitely have gotten it up. Now, one of the things that people ain't telling you about, and y'all need to listen to this true tea, because a lot of YouTubers try on wigs, and that's it. They're professional wig try-ons. You know what I'm saying? And then they do something. They don't like do that every, you know, have a live, go to work, anything like that. Me, I do. So because of that, I was looking for like a longer wear out of my wigs and out of my hairstyles, or the ability to take them on and off. So one of the fabulous things was, I had a video about using the stocking cap method, and we'll put it somewhere, check it out, or whatever the case may be. But the stocking cap method became very popular because it allowed you to kind of to appear bald and extend kind of the color of your skin, so that when you put on the lace frontal, it kind of melted in and looked very, very seamless. And initially, when I was doing lace frontals, I wasn't doing that, and then I went to the stocking cap method. And then what also became very popular was GOT2B glued, and I used the spray, and I can't find it, but I used the black bottle as well. So long and short of it, during my no buy and me not wearing, like, buying any new wigs, and really me not applying any lace frontals, the truth of the matter is that I noticed some major changes in my edges, y'all. For real. for real, y'all. For real. And another YouTuber, I think her name is Tiara, she hit on it, but I don't think nobody's telling y'all the true tea about what is tearing out. And I know, okay, I'm gonna get to the unboxing, but I just had to tell y'all the true tea on what is like, what is really causing traction alopecia, or you to lose your edges. And I'm gonna tell y'all the truth, and I know this to be true. Whenever I apply my lace frontals, even when you know, and I always get mines, I either can do them myself or professional. Even with the, y'all see how big my forehead is? This is my real forehead. The glue, unless you're putting the glue on your forehead, which I never did, it's always creating the illusion of a new forehead and shrinking my forehead down. So the long story short, what I'm trying to say is, this glue, the ghost bonds or whatever, if you're applying your lace frontal correctly, which is you're applying it above, not on your hairline, not behind your hairline, but you're on the skin above your hairline, then this cannot be what is making you lose your edges at all. What I believe is due to is the GOT2B glued. The GOT2B glued and the GOT2B glue gel, which for some reason I cannot find right now. And the reason why I know that is because not only was I'm thinning on my edges, but because you put the GOT2B glued in the gel, and then you put on the stocking cap, I also noticed breakage. So this is how long my hair is. See, like, my hair was thriving, y'all. My hair was thriving until the stocking cap method. But then here I have breakage here, I have breakage here, and thinning on my edges. And the only thing that I put on my edges was Got2B glue gel and that daggone freeze spray. And so I'm telling y'all now that it's not the glue. I know for sure it's not the glue. The only thing that has touched my edges has been that gel. And then on top of that, the stocking cap. So the next thing y'all gonna say is, oh, you know, maybe perhaps you didn't remove it correctly. Even if you didn't remove it correctly, which I did, either I had the C22 Walker tape, but it's still causing traction on it with the stocking cap method. So long story short, I don't think there's anything wrong with the stocking cap method. I'm not giving up on my lace frontals because I invested in these great glues and these things hold. But what I won't be doing is applying the Got2B glued and the Got2B glue gel spray to my actual hair anymore. In terms of the stocking cap method, I'm going to use like a regular gel or something lighter, or no gel at all, to be honest. So anyway, I've been trying to give my edges a total break. I'm so sad because you guys can see the length that I have in the middle. I'm so sad about the breakage and thinning here on my edges. So I have been doing styles that's giving it a break, and also not trying to use the Got2B glue too much, right? Or if I'm using it, I'm applied it. I try to get more into my Gorilla Snot, and I use this but it flakes. It has a decent hold. For mainly my synthetic or human hair blend 360, not 360s, but my lace frontals, the Biz, I usually was using the Gorilla Snot to keep that down, because I find Gorilla Snot a little bit not as heavy and not as tight as the freeze spray and the Got2B glue stuff. So long story short, that's where I'm at. This is gonna be a long video. I can't help it, y'all. I want to give y'all the backstory. So I need to give my edges a break, and but I'm also very lazy.